Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to see if this works. It's something I've seen on Facebook, probably Instagram. I'm going to use the colors and use this regular nail polish. I think I have a wooden stick in here or not. I'll use the plastic one. And I'm just going to kind of blend the colors together. See if I can do like, almost a tie-dye pattern with these three colors. So let's just get right to it. I am going to use my Apray just to make sure everything is gonna stick. I just picked two random nails because it's just a test. I want to see if I can do it. So that's all we're gonna do today. Something simple. Regular polish. I just picked 3 from my collection. I think some are what my daughter collected. It's all mixed together. Got the Wet n Wild Mega Lust. Sinful Colors. I don't even know what this says down there. Fuchsia. I don't know what this is called. Oh, Through the Grapevine is the Wet n Wild one. And this is Mood. I don't even know what brand that is, but it looks cool. There's a sparkle to it. So I am going to take a nice amount and paint just stripes. I'm going to do one at a time. I want to do a nice amount. Just a nice thickish amount, and we're going to put the sparkly one on the side. Not that there's much room, but Is there pink on there? Yeah. Probably should have got something to wipe it with, but I'll use my, there we go. And a little bit more. Everything's bleeding in together already, which is fine. Okay. I wiped it off, as you can see. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. I'm just going to Is this gonna work? Probably not. I don't know. I like how that worked. So I think smearing them together may be the best option, because that is just, yeah, I don't know. It's not smearing back. So let's, maybe it's just drying too fast. Yeah, I don't like that. No go. So I'm going to try just these two colors. That purple just wants to dry really fast, which is great if you're painting nails, but not if you're trying to do something fun. So a lot of that. Let it smear into each other. A wooden one. I don't know where it went, and I'm going to be wasting time. So let's just... Oh, that's better. Move this. Okay, it works if it's really liquidy. Ew, I don't know why I did that. Okay. Let's see. It smears. Oh, not bad. Kind of works. Not how I was thinking, but gel polish would be probably better. Not too bad. If the colors were better, and I'm just using alcohol. Let's see if that'll work. Yep. Cleaning my thing off. Not too bad, not too bad. Kind of crazy, but I'll let it dry. So that's it. Short and sweet. Just wanted to see what would happen if I just mix the colors of regular nail polish together. You can probably get a cool pattern. That one's not too bad. That one just looks muddy. I don't like it. So thank you so much for joining me on a nice, quick, short and sweet video. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I appreciate you all. Like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think of this, and if you have tried something like this before, give me your tips. That's it. I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.